Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will let to show you the way how to collaborate your Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you are stay in the home sections, or otherwise you can just go click this plus button instead. So here, since I already in the home section, I will let to slide my screen into the right side, so I will get an access into the Instagram camera, but I already have the topic or the picture that I will let to post here, so I will let to post this. So here, if you want to do the collaborate work or do collaborations over this Instagram story, you can just go click this alphabet sections, and there will be an information in the downside here. One is mention and the other one is location. So to do collaboration work, you just need to go to click this mention, and you just need to put the username of your friends that you want to ask to collaborate with you. So here I have friends, oh my bad, and then I will let to just go click it after you found it. And then you can also adjusting the font of the text that you want. You can just customizing these styles too, as well as the color. You can also do a pick a color and just pick the color that you want to have for the text. And whenever you're done, you can just place them into the specific area that you want to place the user of your friends here. And right after you finish, you just need to click add to your story and you're done. So that is the way how to do a collaborative work with Instagram story by iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.